Meaning of Dracula.
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 Dracula. Dracula is a vampire character from the horror novel of the same name by Bram Stoker. The name Dracula has its roots in Romanian and means dragon or devil. In the novel, Dracula is depicted as an undead aristocrat who preys on humans to sustain his own immortality. The character has become a cultural icon and has been portrayed in numerous films, books, and other media. Overall, Dracula has come to represent the archetype of the seductive and dangerous vampire in popular culture.